To lock gallery on Samsung One UI 7 in 2025, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So just like every day, let's start from the beginning. First, go to the gallery. Tap the three lines in the bottom right corner. After entering, go to Settings. Scroll down in the settings and go to the Gallery Labs option. If you don't see the Gallery Labs option, don't worry. To enable it, go to About Gallery. In the About Gallery section, tap repeatedly on the version number written under Gallery until you see a message saying Gallery Labs enabled. Now go back and then go to the Gallery Labs option. On the Gallery Labs page, you only need to enable one setting. This will be the option to lock albums. So, enable the toggle of album entry lock. After enabling the toggle, press OK. Now open the gallery. Press and hold on the album you want to lock. Then press more from the bottom right. Select Lock Album, and the album will be locked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.